Hi everyone. Today we have to work our third primary color. That would be our color blue. And also we would be working our spirals in our ice cream cone. So to start up, our first project was with beads. A lot of us didn't have beads, so we started working with foam, and little paper balls, remember? Now this time, if we don't have these materials, I have new suggestions for you guys. I also saw some corrugated cardboard over here. And if we don't have any kind of colors or paper, we can actually just grab a white cardboard and color it blue, just like I did over here. So you just want to color up those white spaces a little bit. And that's about what we have to do with this one. Okay, so for our cardboard over here, the only thing we're going to do, I'm going to ask you to be really careful with it, is just to cut small pieces. That way you can work better with your going around the ice cream. So you have to cut them like really small pieces, just like that. There we go. And the same thing we're going to do with our cardboard colored with blue coloring pencil. You're just going to do really small strips of cardboard here. And we're going to cut them right in here. So here, we have two more options to do our ice creams. Okay, so we're gonna start with our paper, cardboard colored pencil cardboard paper. So what we're gonna do is, I already started with my first line. As I told you guys, I want you to follow the ice cream scoop line over here. And then we're gonna start with our second round. Right here. So you always follow a pattern, okay? Always follow the line. That way you'll have a nice, organized, and neat work. As you can see, I'm only using this finger for glue. So when I have my hands dirty, I'm just gonna have a finger instead of having my whole hand. Actually, it kind of looks like a blue jean ice cream, doesn't it? It looks like the texture of a blue jean. I'm almost done with my second line of ice cream. Almost done. You can create as you can be imaginative as you wish. You can do it with every kind of type of paper. You can color them around, and also you can use I don't know, if you want to do another project just using the lines, you can use rice, you can use beans, any type of material that you want. So we're almost done. Now I'm starting the third row. Almost done with my ice cream. Oh, that's stuck in my finger. There we go. We're almost done with our ice cream scoop. There we go. Third row. We're working outside in. So our final touch over here. So there, I'm already done with my blue ice cream scoop, and now we have to do our ice cream cone. And with our ice cream cone, we have to do our spirals. Since spirals are a little bit complicated to do, wait, let me show you how you can clean your finger before anything. So you have glue in that finger, and the only finger you have, you just rub this in like this, and the glue will come out. It's really easy to take the glue out. See, no more glue, and that's it. Okay, continuing. As I was saying, spirals are a little bit complicated. So what we're gonna do over here, I'm gonna ask you guys to get a free white sheet paper, just like this, and I'm gonna ask you to start practicing on your own. So we're gonna start doing our spirals from the center out. Just like that. Okay? Once we've practiced making our spirals, we continue in our ice cream cone. In our ice cream cone, what we're gonna do is we're also gonna follow our pattern over here. So I can put my ice cream cone like this, and I can start working with my spiral. Try making them a little bit small, and keep on following the line. turn that around again. I would recommend you guys to start doing the spirals after a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes you finished your ice cream scoop, because the glue is still fresh and you can probably squish your ice cream scoop if you're leaning your hand on top. So when you finish your ice cream scoop, wait for a couple of minutes, let's say 10 minutes, and start doing the ice cream cone. So there, we have our blue ice cream with our spiral ice cream cone. Okay, we did this one with coloring pencils and only a sheet of paper, cardboard, a white cardboard, coloring it blue. We also have the cardboard over here. I already did this one over here, you can see it. That's the kind it should look. Depending on your marker, if it's a thick marker, your cone will come out like this. If you use a thin marker, probably your ice cream will look like this one. So those are our three primary colors as I showed you before. Our original project was like this. We had to do them with beads. Red beads with wavy lines, yellow beads with zigzag lines, and blue beads with spiral lines. So we did some, we switched a little bit, we changed a little bit because I know how difficult it was for us to find all the materials I asked for. So in replacement, we could have used little ball papers, yellow ball papers. We could have used foamy yellow to do it. We could use cardboard to do it. And we could also use just white cardboard and color it blue. So we have all these options over here. Please practice. Don't forget that our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, and that you can use whichever material you want as long as you can follow a pattern and have fun. So I hope you enjoyed your tutorial for today. Until next Wednesday, take care. Loves and kisses. Love you. Bye-bye.